Good morning, Gallivanters.
Good morning.
So, our second day in Madrid, and as you guys know, Tracey broke her toe, so trying to find some things that'll keep her off of her foot as much as we can. So, that will be one of her favorite things to do.
The ho-ho bus.
And then I think we're going to focus on goodies.
Yes, a lot of goodies here in Madrid. So
there's two things we know we want to do.
Yep.
The first one is
Cava Baja.
Cava Baja is the street full of tapas bars, so we want to check that out. And then we want to go to
Get a little sweet treat.
We're going to get Churros and Chocolate
at San Gini's.
We have heard that it is absolutely fantastic and a must do here, so hope you guys stick around and see what we get into. Hey y'all.
Hey Gallivanting.
So we actually just finished our first full day here in Madrid. It was mainly on the hop on, hop off bus, which is why you aren't going to see a lot of footage from that. Just because we're letting Gimpy here take some time off from walking too much on her foot. But we did see some really cool things and get some great shots. Now we are on Cava Baja, which is the street in Madrid that has all kinds of tapas bars. I think it's famous for just kind of being the tapas bar central. Here's some of our food for some All right, thank you so much. Thank you. So, ham croquettes to start with. Good. Hot.
Mm-hmm.
Ham and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Again, how can you go wrong with fried ham and cheese, right? You can't.
Okay, y'all. So our fried calamari came. Melinda's going to be the guinea pig on this.
I am. I'm going to put a little lemon
She's
on
going to
it.
put a little lemon on there. Well,
I mean, what's interesting is their breading is very different than ours. It's a lot lighter, and it doesn't seem to be as fried for as long. And so it's interesting. I mean, it's good. It's good. It's just got a lot of garlic in it. It's good, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
calamari can be kind of rubbery sometimes, but this actually isn't. Okay, y'all, round 3, we have a Spanish omelet, and Melinda's gonna try it.
Looks like we have tomatoes with some balsamic on it, and then the omelet itself looks like eggs and potatoes.
Potatoes, maybe. Some onion.
It's kind of a big bite.
She's saving it for later. Good?
It's really good.
Good.
What it is, but it's onion, yes. Egg, right? Potato. But I think there's some kind of cheese. I don't know exactly what. Very good. Yep. All right, guys. So we're gonna finish our little trio of tapas here, and then move on. So we'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
Yeah, this is all tile.
It's a very cool little street here, guys, with all kinds of places to eat. Hey guys, so we came to our other place, which I guess is like a Madrid institution. It's been here since 1894.
Yep.
It is called San
Genus?
We're not sure how you say it, but it is a 24-hour churro and chocolate shop. And oh my goodness.
Check this out. Okay, look at that.
That's chocolate.
That is chocolate. Yes. And sorry about the lighting.
We're under
They
a
have heat lamps, so
It's a little chilly. The chocolate's interesting. It's not a dark chocolate, but it's not a super, super sweet chocolate. It's more like a semi-sweet, which is really good. I don't know that I've ever tasted anything like that.
oh, it's good.
I can't even compare it to anything.
So good.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
That's all I have to say. Hey y'all!
Hey, Gallivanters!
Really, really, really liking Madrid. We were at a little bit of a disadvantage today because Skid Mark here,
Yeah.
is struggling with her toe, but I'll say she's been a trooper. We had some great food.
Boy, did we have some
Oh
great
my
food.
goodness, I gotta tell you guys, those churros and chocolate, I mean, that could be really dangerous because it's like super cheap.
And they're open 24 hours. I am all about the 24
She
hours.
is. I don't know why, because, we're old and
Yeah.
we're in bed by 11 anyway.
At the latest.
So, everything has been fantastic that we've tried so far. And it's just been a
Yeah, I mean,
good
this
city to visit.
Yes, this city is full of architecture. The buildings,
Oh,
the
yeah.
history,
It's gorgeous.
more than we realized, I think.
Oh, absolutely. So, hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and hopefully you'll stick around and watch our next video. Just remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our videos, subscribe. And if you want to get notified when new videos come out,
Hit the bell, then you know.
and we will write all this up and the places we visited on our blog at gallivantinggals.com. And in the meantime, just remember,
Live your best life.
bye y'all.
See ya.